Hi, welcome to Kings, and today we're going to be doing our Passion Star Martini. And what we've got here, we've got our vanilla vodka, which is homemade. We have our wonderful Pessoa, which is passion fruit liqueur. We also, there you go, that's gone in there. We also have our apple juice, nice cloudy apple juice here, followed by our passion fruit puree. This then gets shaken on ice, like so. Nice circular motions back and forward until the shaker actually starts to get condensation on the outside, which shows that it's cool enough. Then what we have in here is our wonderful glass with our snow, which has been moulded into our shape. Pour this in this wonderful passion fruit creamy liqueur, like so, all the way around. And then you finish it off on the top with some gorgeous sweet grenadine. Just beautiful. You've got your lime garnish and your straw, and there you have our Passion Star Martini.